What's up, gang? Today's a new day. Special day. Special moment. I'm about to show y'all right now. Let's get it. Axel, what do we got, bro?
It's that time.
It's that time. It's that time. Show him.
Let's unbox that one first.
Yeah. It's about that time. He's joined the 24 gang. When did we do your drop?
This November, it's been a year. So like a year and 3
Oh,
months.
so you go. Okay.
A year and 3 months.
A year and 3 months. 24s.
And it falls.
That's on you.
God.
Damn.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that
Shiny.
Woo. God damn, well, these are huge.
Vibranium, bro. Tell us the specs. Tell the viewers the specs.
These are 24, 9-inch wide, 25 offset, plus 25 offset.
There you go.
Lug pattern is 6x135. This is the diamond cut. No, what the fucking paper at?
What a paper.
Silver brush face, male diamond cut lip.
Shiny lip.
One of a kind.
One of a kind.
Special order for big ballers only.
Big ballers only. Tell the viewers why you didn't go Vosses like me and Johnny.
Hey, they're too simple. They're too simple. I like bling.
Oh, heard.
I like them to stand out. Wait, awesome. God. Some billet valve stems.
Billet
We're
valve
like that.
stems.
We're like that.
Okay, heard.
And you know we had to hit it with the ka-chow.
The Ka-chow spiked lug
Had
nuts.
that shit
Nice.
all out on this.
Oh, let me see that valve stem. I might get some for mine. Sheesh.
This is clean. What do you have?
I just have the regular
The
black
rubber
ones.
ones?
Yeah, the regular rubber ones.
Oh no, we gotta put those.
I gotta put these. How much are these?
We're like $20.
$20. That's light. Link in the description.
Link in the description.
Link in the description. Or put a link for everything. The wheels too. Where do you get on usmag.com, right?
Yep.
usmag.com. Where'd you get the spiked lug nuts?
American truck. Yeah, American truck.
American trucks. We're gonna put the link in the description, guys, because I guess I get a few comments here and there like, what's the link to this? What's the link to that? So you know what? I'm gonna start putting a link in the description. I got a new video coming up soon as well for my truck. It's a little dash cam, so be prepared for that one. Oh wait, actually no. By the time this video comes out, I already have my dash cam video already out. So never mind. But make sure you watch that video too. Big plans. What's next for Banes y Trocas? This is crunch time. What are we getting next?
The wheel lights.
Oh, the wheel lights. Heard.
We're trying to make these so anyone can see these wheels from a mile away.
From NASA. From Mars. From the moon.
I'm trying to grab on the gas attention.
Oh, yes, sir. That's the plan. If I'm being honest, I think my truck's already done. I got nothing else to do to it. I got nothing major to do.
Bags, tubs,
Okay,
relocation,
we can't do that though.
center console sound system.
Okay, the main thing I want to do is interior.
Speaker rack,
Okay, I don't know about speaker rack.
starlights.
I want to do that.
You're never done. Color match rear bumper.
Hey,
Yeah, you're not
I like
done.
the chrome.
You're not close to done.
All right, look. I was working on maintenance,
I
bro.
just reminded you, you're not close to done.
I was working on the maintenance, bro. How to get that power steering gear replaced.
Some new shiny power steering.
You shine. That was the big thing. That's Banes y Trocas crunch right there, right?
Now you need new wheel bearings too.
Oh yeah, new wheel bearings. We're gonna do a video on that too.
Guys, when you get 24s and a wide tire, your wheel bearings are gonna go out more. So.
Yeah, I changed my wheel bearings.
Or if you don't get an alignment like someone.
Hey. It was
for sure.
It was somewhat aligned. Anyways, if you go big, make sure you get it realigned, and just know your wheel bearings gonna go out sooner. I changed my wheel bearings about 2 years ago. And guess what? They clap now, so we gotta replace them again.
They didn't. Every time you get a new set of wheel and tires, do an alignment, cause somebody did it.
Hey. let's not point fingers around here, all right? Tomorrow, guys, we're gonna have the tire set up. We're gonna tell you the tire specs tomorrow. We'll leave that as a surprise for mañana. And then we're gonna do a whole video of it, putting it on. You're gonna put it on out the shop, or you're gonna do it here?
Well, we come out the tires and wheels over there, and we can come put them on over here.
All right, so we're gonna put them on here. All right, bet.
I don't think they want to see us just mount the tires, you know.
Yeah. We'll mount the tires and then bring it here, and we'll put them on here.
We'll put them on live on action.
Live on action.
Instagram live. We'll go Instagram live.
Yeah, you go on Instagram live.
Oh, we're going Instagram live, bro.
You go on Instagram live. I'm the one recording. I have my phone. I have 2 phones.
Oh, you're right.
Exactly. We'll put Axel's Instagram link in the description. We're gonna go live. Oh wait, by the time this video goes out, it's already over. The live is gonna be at the same time.
Just know we're going to Bandas too.
We're going to Bandas, so be prepared. We're gonna be signing autographs.
Yes, sir. We're gonna be in the bronze. Don't worry about that though.
We're gonna be in the bronze.
We're inside.
Or if I'm lucky, I might be in the gold section with Team Empire. If I'm lucky, if we get a gold
If I
section,
really want to, I can join Team Empire now because I got 24.
he can.
If y'all seeing this, DM me.
DM him.
If you DM me, I'll for sure join.
We will see.
I'll beat whoever mondo me because I'm like that. I'm about the truck game.
He's about the truck game.
These truck guys over here like nothing.
Yes, sir. All right, we'll catch you guys mañana. Here we are, guys. Axel, we're in a top secret location. What are we doing so far?
Putting on the billet valve stems.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna show you the tires. Here they are. Where's the specs? Specs is right there. 285, 40, 24. Toyo tires. He wanted to be like me. Oh.
In.
Oh, we're already done. We're done. Done with the job. Next day. Axel told the viewers what happened.
Wrong fucking wheels. Damaged wheels.
Damaged wheels. Wrong side wheels. We got all 4 wheels for the right side.
We don't want to be looking like the famous wheels.
We want to look like the Strata wheel people and infamous wheels people. So
Not your money up, not your funny up.
exactly. We're gonna send these back. Get the left side wheels because these are all going to the right because US mags are directional. And we're good. So we got 2 on already. He's gonna balance them when he gets the other 2 wheels. So as of right now, this one just has the cap for looks. And we're gonna balance it today, but damaged and wrong side. Come on, Axel, what do we get?
We finally got our fucking wheels.
Sheesh!
How did we wait?
What you doing? We were doing them on a.
Well, like after 3 weeks from tonight or then?
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
And the 24 mags.
With new tires. He returned the Toyo tires. Why'd you return the Toyo tires?
They didn't have this size in Toyos, but these look cleaner.
Yeah. The Toyos he had were way thicker, and it didn't look good. So we went a little down. He went down smaller. What were the Toyos?
It would have been like putting 33s on this truck.
Heard. What size were the Toyos again?
The Toyos were 285, 40. I think they were 40.
Really? And these are just.
They were 40.
These are just 285, 35.
Yeah, 35.
There you go. Not bad.
A 9 wide wheel, all around.
9 wide. Pretty flush over there in the rear. Let us know in the comments. Do you think if Axel should get the fender flares like my truck over there?
Next step, color match bumper.
Color match.
Front area. We got the fog lights.
He's gonna get the fog lights just like mine over there.
We're gonna get the wheel lights.
The wheel lights.
Slotted rotors all around.
Slotted rotors, racing rotors, big brake kit, Willwood.
Oh, starlights. I'm gonna get
Starlights. If you cannot hear us, it's because it's really windy. But
oh, color match. We'll color match this too.
color match.
They kind of hit me. Haters gonna hate.
Haters gonna hate, bro.
Other than that,
Door handles color match too.
Oh yeah, that's good.
This color match. This color match. Yeah,
I like that gloss right
Yeah,
there.
I'm just kidding. Color match the bed? The bed right here?
Color match liner?
Oh, hell yeah, everything. Red everything. Red wheels?
This ain't a hot easy.
Alright, that's the end of the vlog. There it is, the mags all freshened up, cleaned up. Yes, sir.
360 on the truck.
The 360.
Oh, look, our fans are over there. Right there.
The fans are here. Our fans. Oh! Oh, we're getting kicked out. Rubber. 360 around. Yes, sir. That's the end of the vlog with the black cat. All right, closing out the vlog.
We gotta get the fuck out of here because this cop's pulling up right now.
We're gonna get deported.
Oh, look at that. Coming.
Oh, the NSX. Sheesh. All right, end of the vlog. We'll catch you on the next one.